to the business of APIs, 7 years running. This is just a really interesting opportunity to talk about what's happening here and interact with experts from Mashery as well as from the rest of the peer group here.
APIs are really about software, and we think of ourselves as serving software people.
Does the API have any soul? What's going to be interesting? What are the pieces of it that I can pull on and find, and what are the pieces of it that I can ignore? The API can support new interactions and new kinds of interactions, but it can also enable a new kind of conversation.
We took a crawl, walk, run approach. Enterprises, you do need a story. Start with something rational. As you continue, improve. Maybe have your first biz dev person.
We took a page out of Amazon's book. They talk about having 2 pizza-sized teams. No team should be any bigger than could be fed by 2 pizzas.
Start with a question, not with the data.
Most APIs have more than a single way in which they achieve their return on investment.
Smartphone technology is clearly a big driver of what we're doing.
There's nothing more powerful than an engineer thinking something's a really good idea and you thinking that's a really good idea.
To be part of the small business web organization, you need to have an API. And part of the reason that this organization exists is because they've all seen how valuable it is to them as enterprises to have an API which allows, in particular, cloud-to-cloud, service-to-service integration.
What we should be starting with is why API? Disregard what everyone else is doing out there. Thinking about what is the business proposition? What are the things that we're trying to accomplish with an API as a company? Where's the real value? That's the question you should walk away with today.